In this video, we'll be showing you how to ask for donations. First, log in as an administrator. An event needs to be created in order for the donation product to be added to. To do this, select Admin from the main navigation, then Events, and then click on the Add Event button. For this example, the event has already been set up, so let's run through it briefly now. Give the event a name, such as Donations for Fun Run 2025. Select the event type as donation. Add a description in the free text description box. Select at least one organiser from the drop-down list. And if you would like, you can include some text to go in the order confirmation email. Enter the relevant dates for your event and confirm the fee types. We have added an image here for the carousel on the home page. Then click the Update Event button. You can find a link to the full FAQ in the description below to guide you through setting up an event step by step if you need further assistance. Now the event is set up, we can add the donation product. Click on Tickets and Products from the Event Management menu, and then on Add Product. Enter a name in the name field and a SKU in the SKU field. Then select Donation from the Type drop-down list. By selecting variable price type, your customer can choose their own amount, but they will not be pushed through the gift aid declaration form during the checkout process. We therefore recommend leaving this type as donation. Time and sort order can be left blank, and you can then enter a price. This price will be a suggested amount which your customer can change. You will need to set a high stock quantity. Click the Update Product button when you are done. When your customer to check out, they will need to change the quantity to 1 to show they want to add this product to their basket. During the checkout process, they will then be asked to complete the gift aid declaration should this be applicable. You can find a link to HMRC's guidelines on donations and gift aid for charity events in the description below. And that's it, you have now successfully set up how to ask for donations. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.